Well, I went and I bought another Copart car, so that's what the video is going to be about today. So if you're interested in that, stick around. So anyways, I have decided to get another car that gets better gas mileage than the truck just for my work. This thing's 6 months old and I got about 18,000 miles on it in 6 months. So and I know it's a diesel, but I work a lot in downtown, so I decided to get a smaller car that gets better gas mileage since I drive 75 to 100 miles a day. So anyways, I decided that the Focus was a little too small for me, and my wife and daughter both have Fusions, which are awesome. So I decided to get a Ford Fusion, and as soon as I get it, I'll show it to you. But I'll try and take a little bit of video at the Copart yard, and we'll go from there. But it looks like it's in pretty good shape, so hopefully I don't have to do much to it, and hopefully I can get everything done and get it registered today. So if you're interested, stick around. Just hanging out, waiting for my car to be brought. So here we go. Salvage Title vehicle runs. I drove it up on the trailer, and there's why it's salvage. But it does not impact drivability or anything. So I'm gonna check it out good when I get home. But it starts right up, and we'll go from there. But it appears to be fine. So here we go. I'm now at the state troopers in Louisiana. You have to get a affidavit of physical inspection, just verify the VIN and to make sure it's not a stolen vehicle. So there it is on a trailer, and here I go in to get this done. So here we are. We have it at home. I gotta scrape some stuff off, and I'm gonna take it and get it washed just because it'll look a little bit better. But yeah, this was total because of this fender right here. That's it. That is it. And the rim got scraped and yada yada yada. So it's a 2014 Fusion SE. It has, as you can tell, 53,848 miles on it, and I got it, I don't want to say a song, but I got it for a lot less than it would cost to go to the dealership and buy one, just because of that dent. So it is what it is. It's a used car, and just like everything else in life, take a risk with it, but it seems to be worth the risk, if you ask me. It seems to have been pretty well taken care of, unlike some of the other Copart cars I've gotten. They put these heavy-duty floor mats in on top of the regular floor mats. I don't see any stains per se. I don't have a whole bunch of crap in the back here like the other ones I've had at times. So, for what it's worth, it appears to be pretty decent, especially for what I paid for it. So anyways, I'm gonna scrape that off and pop the hood. It's got the 2.5 liter naturally aspirated, which is what my daughter's car is, and she's had nothing but good luck with it. So I figured if it works, just keep it up. So anyways, I'm gonna put you down, open the hood, and then we'll look under the hood. Wow, I popped the hood, and this thing is clean. Y'all know that I usually don't keep a very clean interior, let alone an exterior, especially under the hood. I've gotten some comments from people before about the state of my engine compartment, but look at this. And look at the date on the battery. It was bought in 10/19. So, looks like a new battery. It's got relatively new tires, Michelin's. And so yeah, just keeps getting better. But that right there seems to be the Achilles heel of the entire car. Seems ridiculous, but you know, what can you do? I think it just opens with a button. I got to get some screws for my new license plate. But it's got fold down seats, very, very clean in here too. I just can't get over how clean it is, besides that dent. So anyways, as always, I appreciate you guys checking out what I got going on. This one's going to be just not much going on. I mean, I'm going to check the air filter, but I think I've already done a video on that with my daughter's car. But yeah, I just can't get over how clean this thing is. Anyways, the other point I'd like to make is today, with these salvage vehicles, today I went and I purchased the vehicle. Well, actually, yesterday I purchased the vehicle through Copart. Today I went and picked it up this morning as soon as they opened. I then took it to the state patrol, got it inspected, and then from there I went and got the title changed to my name, and now I'm driving it. I'm going to take it to get it cleaned out, even though it's pretty damn clean. I just want to get it, get somebody else to go through it real good. And so I went from this morning at 8 a.m. to now it's 3 p.m. I was able to get a salvage vehicle that, although it has a dent in the side, drives great, runs great, and will be a reliable car for me for hopefully years to come. So it just shows what a good value you can get with a salvage vehicle if you look around. And I may or may not fix this door in the quarter, but I don't have to, and I'm sitting here, drove it, and everything's looking good. So anyways, thanks for watching. As always, I really appreciate everybody that views these videos and gives me thumbs up and likes and subscribes. So keep it up, and I'll keep making videos. I appreciate it. Have a great day.